Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter trigonometric. Before that we should purify or concentrate our mind. Let's do Brahmanad. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, some questions were homework for you in last class. Some questions were homework for you. These are the questions which were homework for you. So let's check your answer. What is the first? That is third question number, third bit. Question 1, question 2 completed, and question number, that is third bit, is what? Sin 2x into, that is solution here, into cos 2x. We know either sin form or cos form or a sin x plus b cos x form, that is maximum value and minimum value. Here, what is this? This is product of sin and cosec. Sin and cos, so we can write single form by 2 into 2, that is 2 sin what? 2 sin 2x into cos 2x. So this is equal to 1 by 2 sin 2 sin theta and cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. So sin 4x. Okay, suppose this is sin 4x. So we know sin 4x or sin 6x or sin 1x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So it is 1 by 2. So multiply 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2 less than equal to 1 by 2, sin 4x less than equal to 1 by 2. So minimum value is what? This is minimum value. Minimum value is equal to minus 1 by 2 and maximum value is equal to 1 by 2. This is question number third bit, that were homework for you. These are the homework questions. Now, then question number fourth is what? Sin 3 plus sin square x plus cos 2x. Make sin square x in terms of what? Cos, or single form. Cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So this is equal to what? Now answer of question number fourth bit. Answer of question number fourth bit is what? Fourth bit, 1 plus 4 sin square x into cos square x. That is not question number fifth, it is fifth question number. Then fourth bit is what? 3 plus sin square x plus cos 2x. We know cos 2x is equal to what? That is equal to 3 plus sin square x cos 2x is equal to what? 1 minus 2 sin square x. So 3 plus 1, that is 4 minus sin square x. Okay, 3 minus sin square x, 4 minus sin square x. As we know, sin square x lies between even power, then minimum value is 0, maximum value is 1. So multiply by minus 1. Multiply by minus 1. So 0 जदि माइनस नंबर मल्टीप्लाई कर लेस देन ग्रेटर देन हो तो 0 माइनस sin square x greater than equal to minus 1. 4 is required here. So add 4 greater than 4 minus sin square x greater than equal to 4 minus 1. So 4 greater than equal to 4 minus sin square x greater than equal to 3. Or we can write 3, or we can write 3 less than equal to 4 minus sin square x less than equal to what? 4. So minimum value is what? Minimum value is equal to 4. Maximum value is equal to what? Sorry, minimum value is 3 and maximum value is 4. This is answer of question number fourth bit. Now question number fifth bit. Question number fifth bit, that is what? 1 plus 4 sin square x into cos square x. We can write that is 1 plus 2 sin x into cos x whole square. Okay, so this is equal to 1 plus sin 2x whole square. So we can write sin square 2x. We know, as we know, sin square 2x lies between 0 to 1. 1 is plus 1 is required. So add 1. 1 less than equal to 1 plus sin square 2x less than equal to what? Less than equal to 2. So minimum value is what? Minimum value is equal to 1. Maximum value is equal to what? 2. This is answer of question number, this bit, fifth bit. Now question number 6 bit. Question number 6 bit, that is 4. Solution of question number 6. 4 into sin x into sin 60 minus x into sin 60 plus x. What is the formula for this? That is 1 by 4, that is sin a, sin 60 minus a, sin 60 plus a. So that is 4 is equal to what? 4 into 1 by 4 sin 3x. So 4 cancel. So minimum value which is equal to what? Sin 3x. Minimum value is what? Minus 1, and maximum value is what? Maximum value is 1. This is answer of question number 4. Now exact similar to question number 6, same answer. That is what? Same procedure. Solution of question number what? 7th bit. Cos x into cos 60 minus x into cos 60 plus x. What is the formula for this? Formula for this is equal to what? This is 1 by 4 into cos 3x. Okay, so 1 by 4 into cos 3x. Minimum value of cos 3x equal to 1. So minimum value is what? Minimum value is equal to minus 1 by 4, and maximum value is equal to 1 by 4. Then question number 8 bit. How it is minimum is 1 by 4? We know minimum value of cos is minus 1, or you can write here as cos x 3s lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So multiply by 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4 cos 3s less than equal to 1 by 4. This is what? Minimum value. This is minimum. So minimum value is what? Minimum value is equal to minus 1 by 4. Maximum value is equal to 1 by 4. Again last one, that is 8th bit. 8th bit is what? 8th bit sin square, 8 bit sin square 120 plus x plus sin square 120 degree minus x. Okay, so we can use this sin a plus b formula and sin a minus b formula, then find. This is sin a plus b, that is sin 120 into cos x plus cos 120 into sin x whole square. Okay, plus sin 120 into cos x minus cos 120 into sin x whole square. This is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, that is equal to what? 2 into a square plus b square. 2 into a square plus b square. Clear? 2 into a, that is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. 2 into a square. A square means what? Sin 120 into square 120 into cos square x plus b square. b square means what? Cos square 120 into sin square x. What is the value of cos sin square 120? 2 into sin 60 value root 3 by 2. So 3 by 4 cos square x. And what is cos 120? That is minus 1 by 2 whole square. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4 sin square x. So LCM, that is 2 by 4, okay, and this is what? LCM is what? 2 by 4 here, and this is equal to 3 cos square x plus here 1 minus 4 here take common, 1 minus what? Cos square x. This is equal to, so 1 by 2 3 cos square x, 3 cos square x plus minus, that is 2 cos square x plus 1, 2 cos square x, 2 cos square x plus 1. Okay, so this is what? This is equal to, multiply this cos square x plus 1 by 2. So minimum is what? 1 by 2, as we know, that is, as we know, any even power of any angle cos square 2x, cos square 3x, etc. lies between 0 to 1. Here cos, then half is required here. So add half, that is 1 by 2 cos square 2x plus 1 plus 1 by 2. That implies 1 by 2 less than equal to cos square 2x less than equal to 3 by 2. So minimum value is 1 by 2 and maximum value is what? Maximum value is 3 by 2. This is the answer. Given that theta is equal to what? Given that theta is equal to pi by 2n plus 1, then prove that 2n cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos square 2 theta dot dot up to cos 2n minus theta is equal to 1. So solution, given theta is equal to pi by 2n plus 1. Now we can write, that is what? Cos theta, 2 cos theta into sin theta is equal to what? Here 2n what? Cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta dot dot cos 2n minus 1 theta. So multiplied and divided by sin theta. Okay, multiplied and divided by 2 sin theta. That is what? 2 here common, 2n minus 1. This is 2 sin theta into cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 2 square theta into cos 2n minus 1 theta by what? By sin theta. So this is what? Sin 2 theta, 2 to the n minus 1 into sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta into cos square 2 theta, then cos q like this, cos q theta dot dot up to cos 2n minus 1 theta divided by what? Sin theta. Again to take common 2 here, 2n minus 2 into what? 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta cos 2 square theta cos 2q theta dot dot up to cos 2n minus 1 theta by what? Sin theta. So this is equal to what? This is equal to, we get, that is, this is 2n minus 2 and this is what? Sin 4 theta, sin 2 square theta into cos square 2 theta dot dot cos 2n minus 1 theta by sin theta. Similarly Similarly proceeding in this manner, we will get finally, that is 2n 2 into sin to the 2n minus 1 theta into cos to the power 2n minus 1 theta by sin theta, which is equal to sin 2 to the n theta by sin theta. Okay, so here theta is equal to what? Here theta is equal to pi by 2n plus 1, pi by what? 2n plus 1, that is 2n theta plus theta is equal to pi, that implies 2n theta is equal to pi minus theta. So sin what here? Sin pi minus theta divided by sin theta. So this is equal to sin theta by sin theta, which is equal to 1, which is equal to the right hand side, which is equal to the right hand side value. This is the question. And another question, this is the question, prove that tan theta plus 2 tan theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta is equal to cot theta. Left hand side tan theta 2 tan 2 theta 2 tan 2 theta 4 tan 4 theta 8 cot 8 theta. Now this is what? Tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 by tan 8 theta. Tan 8 theta means what? 2 into 4 theta. Okay, now this is equal to tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 by, that is what? 8 by 2 tan 4 theta by 1 minus tan square 4 theta. So this is what? This is equal to tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 into 1 minus tan square 4 theta by 2 tan 4 theta, that is equal to tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta. I'll take LCM here, that is 1, and this is LCM is what? 2 tan 4 theta, that is 8 tan square 4 theta plus 8 minus 8 tan square 4 theta. Okay, so this goes cancel. Now here this is equal to what? Tan theta plus 2 tan 4 theta plus 8 divided by, that is what? 2 into tan 2 into 2 theta, 2 into 2 theta. So this is equal to what? Tan theta plus 2 tan 4 theta plus what? 8, that is what? 8 by 2, that is 4, that is what? 4. So 4 by what? 2 tan 2 theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta, that is equal to what? Tan theta plus 2 tan 4 theta, and this cancel here, and this cancel here, 2 plus 2 into 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta divided by what? Tan to theta, that is equal to tan theta plus 2 tan 4 theta, LCM here 2 tan square 4 theta, and this is what? This is 2 tan, not 4, this is 2 theta. Okay, this is 2 theta. So this is 2 theta and 2 tan square theta plus 2 minus what? This is 2 tan square theta minus 2 tan square 2 theta divide by what? Tan 2 theta. So this goes cancel. So tan theta plus what? 2 by plus 2 by what? 2 tan theta, that is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. 2 to cancel, that is tan theta plus 1 minus tan square theta divided by tan theta. Now this is equal to tan theta plus 1 minus tan square theta plus 1 minus tan square theta divided by tan theta. This goes cancel. 1 by tan theta is equal to what? 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. So this is equal to right hand side. 1 by tan theta is equal to what? 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. Okay. So this is what? Tan theta, tan square theta plus 1 minus tan goes cancel by tan theta. So 1 by tan theta is equal to what? Cot theta. Okay. This is cot. And one question, another question. Prove that sin theta by cos theta, sin 3 theta by cos 9 theta, and sin 9 theta by cos 27 theta is equal to half of tan 27 theta minus tan theta. Now let sin theta by cos 3 theta. This can be written as what? This can be written multiply sin theta 1 by 2 into what? 1 by 2 cos theta, that is sin theta into cos theta by what? Sin theta into 2 by 2. So into 2 by 2 sin theta into cos theta by cos 3 theta into cos theta. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 1 by 2 sin 2 theta by cos 3 theta into cos theta. So 1 by 2 here, that is sin 3 theta minus theta divided by cos 3 theta into cos theta, that is equal to 1 by 2 sin theta 3 theta cos theta minus cos 3 theta into sin theta divided by cos 3 theta into cos theta, sin 3 theta into sin cos 3 theta into what? Cos 3 theta into cos theta. So cos theta cancel. Here cos theta cancel. So this is equal to sin theta by cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta is equal to 1 by 2 tan 3 theta minus tan theta. Now first term is over. Now for second term. For second term which we get what? This is equal for second term again for second term, that is what? Sin 3 theta by cos 9 theta. This can be written as what? 1 by 2 into 2 sin 3 theta into cos 3 theta divided by cos 9 theta into what? Cos 3 theta. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into what? Sin 6 theta divided by cos 9 theta into cos 3 theta, that is equal to 1 by 2 into sin what 9 theta minus 3 theta divide by cos 9 theta into cos 3 theta. So apply cos a sin a minus b formula, that is 1 by 2 into sin 9 theta cos 3 theta minus cos 9 theta sin 3 theta divide by cos 9 theta into cos 3 theta divide by cos 9 theta into cos 3 theta. Okay, so this goes cancel here, so 1 by 2 into what 1 by 2 into 10 9 theta minus 10 3 theta. Similarly we can find again sin 9 theta divided by cos 27 theta. So 1 by 2 into 2 sin 9 theta into cos 9 theta divided by cos 27 theta into cos 9 theta. So this is equal to sin 18 theta divided by cos 27 theta into cos 9 theta. So this is sin 27 theta minus 9 theta divided by, this is 1 by 2 into, okay, 1 by 2 into, so 1 by 2 into, that is cos 27 theta into cos 9 theta, apply cos a minus b formula. So this is equal to 1 by 2, that is what, sin 27 theta into cos 9 theta minus cos 27 theta into sin 9 theta divide by cos 27 theta into cos 9 theta, cos 27 theta into cos 9 theta. So this goes cancel, and this is what, this goes cancel, that is equal to 1 by 2 tan 27 theta minus tan 9 theta. Okay, this is the value. Now left hand side is what, now left hand side is equal to, left hand side, that is sin theta divided by what, cos 3 theta plus sin 3 theta divided by cos 9 theta plus sin 9 theta divided by cos 27 theta. Now for this, what is formula here, that is 1 by 2 into tan 3 theta minus tan theta. What is its value? 1 by 2 into tan 9 theta minus tan 3 theta plus, what is its value? 1 by 2 into tan 27 theta minus tan 9 theta. So 1 by 2 common here, 1 by 2 common, tan 3 theta minus tan theta, tan 9 theta minus tan 3 theta, tan 27 theta minus tan 9 theta. So plus minus cancel, plus minus cancel, and this is what 1 by 2, plus minus cancel here. So the answer is what, tan 27, that is what, tan 3 theta minus tan theta, tan 9 theta minus tan 3 theta, tan 27 theta minus tan 29 theta. So answer is what, tan 27 theta, tan 27, correct, tan 27 theta minus tan 9 theta is answer. Okay, this is here, what is it, that is tan 3 theta minus tan theta, and this is tan 9 theta minus tan 3 theta, and this is minus tan 27 theta minus tan 9 theta. So 1 by 2 common here, that is tan theta 3 theta minus tan theta, and this is tan 9 theta, this is what, this is tan 9 theta minus this. So plus tan 9 theta, this remains same, this tan theta remains same. So tan 9 theta plus, and this is minus tan 9 theta. So 1 by 2 into what is here, tan 27 theta minus tan theta, which is equal to right hand side, which is equal to the right hand side. Okay, now some more questions. Prove that cos 36 degree into cos 72 degree into cos 108 degree into cos 144 degree is equal to 1 by 60. Okay, this is two methods you can solve. First method, applying the values. What is value of, that is left hand side, cos 36 degree into cos 72 degree into cos 108 degree into cos 144 degree. So this is equal to what, cos 36 degree, and this is what, 90 minus cos 90 degree minus 18 degree, and cos what, 90 degree plus 18 degree into cos what, 180 minus cos 180 degree minus 36. Okay, so this is equal to cos 36 degree into sin 18 degree, and this is what, minus sin 18 degree minus sin 18 degree, and this is minus cos 36 degree. So this is equal to what, minus minus plus cos square 36 into sin square 18. What is value of cos square 36? Root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square into root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So this is equal to what, 16 and 16, that is root 5 plus 1 into root 5 minus 1 total whole square divided by 16 into 16. So this is what, a square minus b square, that is 5 minus 1 whole square divided by 16 into 16, that is 16 by 16 into 16, that is 1 by 16. This is one method. Now another method is the second method. This is first method, and second method is what? Second method. So left hand side is what? Left hand side is cos 36 degree, cos 36 degree, cos 72 degree, cos 108 degree into cos 144 degree. So multiplied and divided by 2 sin 36. So 2 sin 36 into cos 36 into cos 72 into cos 108 into cos 144 divide by what? 2 sin 36. So this is sin 72. Sin 72 into cos 72 into cos what? 144 into cos 108 divided by 2 sin 36 degree. Again into 2 by 2 here. So into 2, again into 2. This is what? Sin 144 degree into cos 108 divided by what? 4 sin 36 degree. Now this is what? Sin 180 minus what? Sin 180 minus 36. Sin 180 minus 36. Okay, and this is what? Sin 90 plus what? Sin, that is cos 90 plus 18. 90 plus 18 by 4 sin 36. 4 sin 36. So this is equal to what? So that is sin 44 into cos 180, that is cos 44. 2 sin A into cos B, sin A plus B by 2, that is which is equal to what? Sin 36 into sin minus sin 18. Sin 36 into minus sin 18. This is what? 30, 60 and 6, 10, 180, right? So this is sin 36 and this is cos 18. So what happens here? That is sin, that is what? Sin 36 into cos sin 18. This is what? Sin 36 into minus sin 18. Sin 18 divided by 4 sin 36. 4 sin 36. Okay. So this is the value is 1 by 16. Recheck this or write this carefully. So first cos 36, cos 72, cos 108, cos 144. So into sin 36 by sin 30. So this is sin 72, cos 72, cos here 144 and cos 108. This is cos what? 2 cos, one step is here, left one step is here. So this is what? This is sin 144 into cos what? 144 into cos 108 divided by 4 sin 36. Again into 2 by 2. Again into 2 and this is into 2. So 2 sin A into cos B equal to sin A plus B. Sorry, sin 2A. Sin 2A means what? Sin 2A, that is sin 2A. Sin 2A means what? Sin 288 degree into cos 108 divided by what? 8 sin 36. 8 sin 36. Now this is 180 plus what? 108. So sin 180 plus 108, or we can write 180 plus what? 108. 108. Okay, and cos 8, or you can apply 2 sin A shall be, or you can, that is 2 sin 288 into cos 108 by, that is 16 sin 36. Okay, 2 sin A cos B formula. Sin A plus B. A plus B means what? 288 divided by 108, that is 16, and this is 3 and 336. Okay, 16 336. So this is what? 8 8 16 and this is 3 and this is what? 3 336. Okay, so 336. into cos 108 and sin 2 sin A sin B, that is what, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, 288 minus what, 288 minus 108, that is 081. So plus sin A minus B means 288 minus 018, so 180 by what, 16 sin 36. So sin this is 0, so sin 336 by what, 16 sin 36. So what is here, sin 2 sin A plus B, 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A sin B formula, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, that is 300 what, that is 288 divided plus 108, that is what, this is 16, this is what, 3 and 336 means what, 60 minus what, okay, 60 minus 360 minus 336, that is 4, and this is what, 34. Something is wrong here, so this can be what, 2 sin A, that is what, 2 sin A sin cos B, that is sin 2A, sin 288, and this is what, sin 108. So we can write here, that is sin 2 sin A sin B or sin A by sin B, that is 2. This is equal to what, 180, that is 2 sin A plus 2 sin A sin B. So 2 sin A into sin B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Okay, so sin A plus B means what, that is equal to what, 288 by plus 801, that is what, 16, that is what, 16, and this is 96, sorry, this is 96, this is 8, so this is what, 396, and this is what, 9, and this is what, 396. So sin 396 means what, and this is sin 396 and sin 180 by 16 sin 36, that is sin 360 plus what, 360 plus 36 by 16 sin 36. So sin 36 by 16 sin 36, cos cancel, that is 1 by 16. This is right hand side. These are the some problems of related to compound angle, multiple angle, submultiple angles. Next class we will discuss about what is trigonometric equation and solution of the trigonometric equations. Thank you. Have a nice day.